go up to settings, and then you're going to want to go down until you see application save data management. After selecting that, you're going to want to go to save data in online storage. You see the yellow plus symbol on any settings, that means that this is a PlayStation Plus member benefit. So you're going to need PlayStation Plus in order to do this. So just keep that in mind. So you're going to go ahead and select save data in online storage. And then what you're going to want to do is download to system storage. This will download from online storage to your local system storage, which is your drive on your PS4. Next, you're going to want to select the save data for the game that you want to restore. In my case, the game is Until Dawn, which is an awesome game, by the way. If you haven't played it, you should definitely pick it up. It was a free PlayStation Plus game. So here we have it. Until Dawn is 20.98 megabytes. Again, these save games are not that big, but if you don't have it, then you're going to miss out on all your save data. So we're going to go ahead and select that, and then you might have multiple options. There's only one option for me in this game, and I'm going to go ahead and select that one. If you have multiple, you might want to restore either all of them or the most recent one. It's all up to you. So since this only has one save game, I'm going to go ahead and select it, and then I'm going to go down here and select download. Now it's going to ask you, do you want to go ahead and copy this save game from online storage to system storage? Go ahead and say yes. Alright, and we're done. That was it. It's a small file, so it shouldn't take that long.